What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm just hoping the sound is okay. I hope you can hear me all right. I'm actually outside in a car waiting on the mail truck. I'm actually outside my little mailbox area or whatever, but I just wanted to make this quick video because I've been talking to like my best friend. I've been talking to like a lot of people just about leveling up their life and like what to do to get to the next level. And it seems like a lot of people, you know, y'all just need to hit that first, like, I just think a lot of people need to hit that first 100K in a year, bro. I feel like that's what changed everything for me, changed my whole belief level, changed everything, because that's when I knew shit was real, like when I made $100,000 online. So in this video, I'm gonna show you like what you need to do and how you can make $100,000 in the next, I want to say the next 9 months, like 2023, almost halfway done. Like, it is halfway done. What is it? No, it's like almost halfway done. Next month in June, it'll be halfway done. Like, some people are not no closer. Some people haven't even made 50,000 already yet. Like, this is bad. Like, if you haven't even made 50K, like, this next 6 months, that's what need to be your next goal. Like, how do I hit 50K in the next 6 months? And in this video, like, really, in all my videos, I be giving y'all the steps. All right, run these type of campaigns, do this, do that, literally all type of traffic sources, all type of methods. But that's how I know it's other type of blocks. When I be trying to tell y'all, it's not just all click here, do this, do that. It's your mentality, it's your mental behind everything. Have you been writing your goals down every single week, every single day? Shit, if you ain't even nowhere close to where you want to be and don't have no motion, every day you should be writing your goals down. Do you have vision boards? Have you been doing your affirmations? Have you been going to sleep every night, planning your day out, keeping a journal? Why reading books? Like, why don't people work on their mind? Is it because it's not cool? Is it because it's not flashy? I don't understand why people don't read more books and write things down. Like, keep a journal, write their thoughts, write their goals, write their dreams, keep up with their dreams. Why do people stop doing that? And then a lot of people have given up on that, and you're wondering why you're not successful. You're wondering why you haven't made it yet. You haven't made it yet because you simply are not doing what is required. You have to focus, and you have to up your belief level. If you haven't made $100,000, it's because deep down in your heart, you truly believe that $100,000 is hard to make. Period. You think $100,000 is the most difficult thing in the world, and that's why you don't have it. Once you start program your mind to be like, making $100,000 a year is easy, when that's going through your mind, you just have subconscious thoughts of that, that's when everything changes. But when I say these things, people act like I'm on a mystery planet, like I don't even exist. Like, I'm just talking out my ass, basically. I'm giving y'all what literally changed. I used to be, bro, y'all know I shopped at Dollar Tree, 1998 Ford Explorer, ugly ass car, facing eviction type shit, literally from the ground level to where you see me at today, just buying my M4. Like, I'm still going up, I'm still leveling up. Like, I've been doing this so long, it's not even nothing. The material stuff don't even matter to me. What matters to me most is enjoying life and making sure that I have a life that I enjoy. That's what's most important. It's not all about money and work. The money was so I can enjoy life. That's all this was about. It was all about enjoying life, bro. Just enjoying life. And maybe that's why you guys, some people might be like, oh, well, Chanel, you're lazy, you don't make as many YouTube videos as you should type stuff. I know a YouTuber make videos every day, and it's like, bro, like, yeah, like, I like to enjoy life. I like vacations, I like spending money, I like going out to eat, I like hanging with friends, I like traveling. Like, I just like doing things other than just working all the time. That's why I chose this life. That's why I did CPA marketing, so I don't have to work, so I don't have to be sitting here having to work all the time, having to worry about money all the time. I make money on autopilot. I have to do nothing to make money. I just literally, I'm making money right now while I'm just sitting here talking to this camera. Like, if I turn this camera off, I'm still making money. Like, that's the power of the internet. But a lot of people just don't want to take it serious. Y'all really don't want to hit 6 figures. Like, if you deep down in your heart really wanted to make $100,000 a year online, on autopilot, just a campaign or whatever it is, your own store, your own Amazon, whatever it is that you're out there striving for, your dream is real. It's possible. It can happen. But you have to take it serious. You have to up your belief level. You have to basically write things down, make a vision board. I'm giving you actionable steps. Like, this is the action content of this video, right? You want to take massive action, and I need some chapstick. You want to take massive action, right? What do you need to do? Make a vision board. And you need to read the first 3 chapters of Think and Grow Rich. Don't even worry about the other chapters. Just read the first 3 chapters over and over and over and over again. And if you see some other chapters that you feel, you know what I'm saying, you might want to pay attention to a little bit, you can add those in. But 3 is mandatory. At least twice to 2 to 3 times a week. Think and Grow Rich. Some more action steps. Affirmations. You can do this 20 minutes before you fall asleep. It don't have to be all night. You have to sleep with headphones in. I know that's extreme. That's what I did. I went the extreme route. But you don't have to do that. When I say vision board, I mean your actual goals, right? So whether it's that dream car, the dream house, the dream vacation, just your whole dream lifestyle, I need that in photo form or video form. And you have to look at that every single day and once before bed. So when you wake up and then before you go to sleep, you need to stare at it. You need to look at it. Now, it can be, you can make it simple and do something on Canva, make a vision board on Canva, or you can have an actual board. I know I showed in one video where I have like a board with thumbtacks, and you can literally cut pictures out, like print them out on your printer and then thumbtack it to your board, like straight from Google. Like, so it's however you want to do it. But I will also make it my phone screensaver, your laptop screensaver, like all your goals, bro. Like, this is the real behind it all. And I know a lot of people don't want to hear this. They don't want to hear it. Y'all wanted to hear something different. Y'all want to hear, like, oh no, like, just go to Facebook and make this ad and target this, right? And, you know, on day 3, click here. Like, it don't work like that, bro. You need a system, like I was talking about in my last video, and the system is outlined. I get the system is out there. But at the end of the day, if you're trying out this system and you don't have the right mindset, and you all over the place with your belief level, you all over the place with what you really think is possible with this business, you truly really don't even believe this shit real. You halfway, 1 foot in, 1 foot out. You trying Forex too. You running Amazon, you on eBay, you all over the place. It's not gonna work like that. But I was trying to give y'all the real mindset behind it all. I ain't even gonna edit this video. I'm gonna put it out straight raw like this, because it is what it is. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.